Karl and Carla. You know, I'm not sure why I haven't done this yet, but Karl and Carla, I like to call them the KC Express, or KC Brings the Sunshine, are great friends and viewers of the channel. They're always around, and I've never really mentioned them in the videos. So Karl and Carla, this shave is for you. Today I'm running, you know, some extensive stubble. I had a rough weekend, long weekend, and I just haven't been able to get a shave done or shave in with all the stuff going on. So the perfect shave to get rid of stubble is Schick's Stubble Eraser. All right. The Hydro Stubble Eraser. It's 2 blades, right? 2 blades or 3 blades? 3 blades. The eyes are getting bad. 3 blades of fun. You have the lube strip up top that has the patented gel pods, the Schick patented gel pods. And then down here you've got this channel that directs the stubble, that kind of corrals the stubble into those blades. I've used this before. Very nice, pivoting head. No precision trimmer. Oh yeah, no precision trimmer as well. I'm wrong. I'm learning as I go. But it's one of my favorites, guys, because it offers a smooth, effortless shave, and it takes this stubble down. Now for Carla, hint, Carl, I'm going to be shaving with a soap from Pasteur Shaving and Master Soap Creations. Pasteur Shaving is doing like a lot of new soaps. Get on it, guys. PasteurShaving.com. Or if you're in New York City, get to them. They're in Midtown. All right. Bloom is their new scent. Karl, Bloom. Take the hint, bro. All right. And Bloom, Aftershave Splash, and the soap. And I'm going to be using another one of my favorites, guys. This is the Pacific Shaving natural cork handled premium synthetic badger hair brush. Now, every time I use a brush, and people are asking me where to get the brush I'm using, since they're not available yet online or through me, the only brush that even comes close is this brush. It's a premium brush, guys. Synthetics from FM Brush Company, which was one of the leading pioneers in synthetics for brushes. This is an American-made or American-born company, 4 generations deep. So you like to support those fine folks in Glendale, New York, making this brush or making the filament for the brush. But this is a great one, and you can still get this on PacificShaving.com. Get over there and let them know the average guy said he needs to get more of these. Different handles, beautiful brushes. This is the brush. I like it because it's synthetic badger hair, but it looks and feels like badger, but it's easier to keep clean. It's more clean, if you will. It's antimicrobial agents. So you don't have to worry about bacteria. You don't have to worry about wear. You don't have to wet soak it to get it going. It doesn't need a break-in process. Just fine, ready to go. And this cork handle is very unique. It's soft on your hands, but it has a nice spine. So it's sturdy, and it floats. It floats, guys. So it's very, very nice. So without further ado, oh, almost broke the aftershave. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now I need a haircut, but I just jumped out of the shower. So I'm just going to reapply a little bit of near hot water. Just a little bit, guys. We're going to go right into our tin of Bloom. And I want to thank my friend, Shaver Boy 516, for hooking me up with this. Shaver Boy 516, you're the man. I'm going to get that in there. Swirl it around. Oh, very nice. Has the as you can imagine, has the smell of spring. The smell of spring. And I'm going to go right onto the face and do a nice face lather. Oh, nice. And as I could tell as I was dipping into that tin, it's going to require a little bit more water. So I'm going to add a little bit of water to the mix. Oh, it's very nice. It's like I'm out in the garden, enjoying the flowers. Yeah, Karl and Carla remind me a lot, the energy, not age, the energy of my mom. And I had a great mom, guys. Still a great mom. She's passed on a few years now. But we had a very quiet relationship after, I was an adult. She'd always be in the background. She'd give me a call. How you doing? Everything good? You can do it. Through all the ups and downs of life, she was there in the background. And then as technology progressed, I'd get a text. I'm on your side. I've got your back. Or just, the weather's beautiful here. Hope it's good there. We had a great relationship, but it was quiet. And Karl and Carla, they remind me of that. They're always there with a kind word, with great energy. You know they're there. It's comforting. It's like a favorite sweater on a cold day. And I love you guys. I love you for being my friend and for constantly checking in on me and spreading beautiful energy. So let's get back to the shave. You see how easy that comes out with a cartridge razor. Once you get into multiple days of stubble, you're usually having problems, but the stubble eraser, to its name, just makes this process nice, easy, and smooth. Now I can apply a little bit more pressure with this razor. It's one of the few cartridge razors, I would say. Go ahead, give it a little bit more. Just to make sure you're getting near the root, because there is a gap and there is that channel to help guide those whiskers. And you want to make sure you're guiding them into the channel. Now, right from the tip, this bloom is really slick. It's got more of an oily base than the soaps I've tried recently. That's going to help you with protection. But I don't know if it's the greatest combo with this razor, to be honest. It feels somewhat like I'm stuck in the mud. But with a DE, a really sharp Harry's. But the smell and the slickness is really, really cool. Really good. So it's not a knock on bloom. It's like anything else. Like, would you pair a wine with, like, I don't know, fish casserole? I don't know, right? Like a macaroni and cheese. I don't know. Maybe some people think wine goes with everything. Yeah. First pass in the books. What I'm going to do to alleviate some of this is I'm going to re-wet the face. Really, really slick, guys. Really slick. I don't even need another pass of that cream to get accomplished what I need to get accomplished. I'm just gonna go back. It's super slick. So I'll go back and do a cross grain. I love this razor. It just does the job. It's super smooth. You hear the feedback. There is not one nick, not one cut, not one tug, even on the cross grain, guys, because of the design. So I would reckon that if you are a sensitive skin person, this might be a great razor for you. This and Gillette Skin Guard are the smoothest, less invasive, less skin damaging razors, least on the market, at least from a cartridge standpoint. And I'm still plenty slick, guys. I could do the third against grain. Hear that feedback? And I did get cut. Probably a pimple though. Couple cuts, little pimples there. And again, I am pushing it, but believe me, they're not cuts to the skin. They're just knocking off a zit or two. Wow, still plenty smooth, still plenty slick. I could do a Jimmy G and go BBS. But I feel good. I'm looking good. Now let's get this off. So I'll rinse with cool water. And I'll get ready for the aftershave. Very, very nice. Nice shave. Still plenty slick, guys. Nice barrier of slickness on your skin. Again, that's Bloom. And I'll tell you, probably take me years to finish this 10. Check them out at pastershaving.com. Now, there are two ways to go about this. This soap is so slick that you could take the residual and just apply that and go with that as your aftershave. You could probably just go with what you have on because, like I said, it's still plenty slick there. Again, has a very oily feel to it. Super protective, super slick. Nice. But for the video, I'm going to go with their aftershave splash. Carl, it's a hint. Bloom. All right. Oh, yeah. I'm blooming today. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice, easy shave, guys. And again, I want to thank my friends, Karl and Carla, ShaverBoy516, for making the shave possible and enjoyable. And I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. I will see you next time, whenever that is. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing. Play. Now roll the music.